Where'd they go? Hey James, smile.
It's up here. You get on the milk crate. Get on the milk crate. The sand is going to be moving in this way, so we want to go from the middle here to work on. We don't want to go here because it'll pick your board up, okay? We're going to come over here, start over here. We're just going to follow it around. Okay?
Hey Spike, say something for the camera.
Yeah, Spike, speak. 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 Sick 'em. Hey, sick 'em. Sick 'em. Sick 'em. You can do it. If I had food, you'd do it like that. Sick 'em. Go ahead, you can do it. Sick 'em. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. See how animated he is? Give me a high five.
How's it go, Tobes? So Robbie.
Fall asleep.
Hello. Spike. You got a face for radio.
Hello. Come sit down. I want to videotape Spike.
I already did.
Okay.
Run right now.
Jenny, it's going. Spike. Speak, Spike. 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 You can do it. You can do it. Oh,
Tequila for the parade. Oh yeah.
Spike. Please zoom out, Dad.
Dora's my favorite tequila manufacturer. Like they're more entry-level tequila, but it's still good.
Spike. Let's zoom in. Speak, Spike. Do something. Spikey. Sit, Spike. He's rocking still.
Okay, Spike. Okay, Spike. I want to attack the camera. Wait, I want to.
Say, Jenny.
I want to show his teeth.
Hi, Spike. No.
His teeth are awesome.
Don't jump him.
Because like I said, they forget which one now, but there's one
Stay
that
still.
literally they have Jack Daniels, empty Jack Daniels barrels.
Sit, Spike.
Tequila and Jack Daniels barrels or whatever.
Sit, Spike.
I wonder. I think we have. Yeah, I think we need some fun.
It looks animated. Alex. I'm not done, Ed. Jenny. Robbie. Yeah.
Well, you know the eHarmony, they advertise a dating service. They were one of our customers in my last company. They took their IT.
When you wax his pillows,
Ruth Chris's Steakhouse dinner.
okay, I don't know.
Holy smokes.
That was in the video.
Beforehand, he's like, you a Scotch guy? This is going to be your expensive meal.
Looks like a professional, doesn't he?
Yes, he does. Yeah, I mean, I could tell it was smooth and all that. No, I guess it was a single malt whiskey. I'm like,
Hello. Thanksgiving 2008.
Yeah, Alex.
Wichita.
Does it mean anything?
Yeah, he said the symbol on it We means have leftovers, strength. that's fine.
And the other like.
Women are in the kitchen where they belong.
Oh,
Lindsay, hello.
Here we are, all barefoot pregnant, right?
That's
There you
right.
go. Isn't that great?
Men on this side of the line, women in there.
His friend paid for it.
Hi, Robbie. Hard at work?
now I want you to see the glory of woodworking. Okay? Because right now, whatever you do in life, you can burn
noisy in here.
Yes, it
We're on a
is.
loud shop.
Yes, it is.
How's it going, Tobe?